Okay, just doing a recheck with the camera, checking out the repair. We adjusted the levels underneath the house, and since we went to the front yard, we were able to get the correct fall for everything. This is going underneath the house. Looks really good. Good levels. All the joints are glued. All to the back where the rear cleanout is. Double check it on the back. Okay, let's do the cleanout in the backyard. Now we're going to check it coming back. Looks real good. Got great levels everywhere. That's good. Alright, now we're gonna run it going to the city. So we tied onto the plastic city. The front yard looks good. All the joints are glued. And here's where we tie onto the city. Looks good.